Hello YouTube, Bushcraft Woods Devil here. Just want to give you a quick tip about personal safety when you're out on trail. For the most part, hiking is uneventful and you're not going to really run into problems, but there is always the possibility of running into a strange person. We've had incidents here periodically, locally. About a year ago or so, we had a man accosting women on an isolated trail, exhibiting himself. A few years ago, we had a hiker who was bludgeoned and died from the injury from an apparent robbery. So while you have your awareness about you for nature and wildlife and nature observation, it's a good idea to be aware of other people, and so be watchful, obey that instinct. If you feel that hair standing up on the back of your neck, that's a very real signal. That is your amygdala. It's a little node in your brain that reads emotion and senses dangerous situation. It's a vestige of our primitive humanity, and you should obey it. Now, something that's good to have is some kind of a tool to defend yourself. I don't like using the word weapon, but a weapon is anything that enhances your ability to defend yourself or extend your sphere of defense. A really simple weapon is just a simple palm stick or a hand stick. You've probably seen these in the form of a Kubaton, an aluminum impact stick. Sometimes they make pens. I showed mine a couple of weeks ago. You don't have to spend money though. You can just get a piece of wood and whittle a Kubaton or a little impact tool using a piece of wood that you've harvested. Now this one here is made from a piece of ash, and it's about 6 inches in length, and it has a little retention loop on it, and in that way you can hold it in your hand and you'll retain it, and it can't be taken away from you not easily. You don't want a little tool like this to be real long. You want it to just protrude a little bit from the ends of your hand, and then in that way, if you're grappling with someone, they can't wrest it away from you. They can't get any purchase on these ends because they're just too short. But the beauty is it gives you a hard point to drive into soft targets. You want to apply strengths to weaknesses, hard points to soft points. So if somebody was coming at you on a trail, assaulting you, you would want to apply this hard little piece of wood, this is ash, against soft targets like the throat, the groin, the solar plexus. You could strike to the side of the temple, though that could be cause very great injury, but if you're fighting for your life, that goes out the door. But this gives you hard points to apply to soft points on the aggressor. So just a little quick tip. You can make a little tool like this very easily, just in a couple hours time, and you don't have to spend any money. Then it gives you a little tool to carry with you on a trail for self-defense. So just a quick tip. And that's all I have for you today. And until then, be safe out there on the trail and have a great time enjoying the gift of nature. We'll talk to you later. Bye.